Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to fix CapCut template not showing. To start this tutorial, make sure you open your settings application in your device. In here, tap on General. Once in General, this time go to iPhone Storage. You can now use the magnifying glass or scroll down and then locate CapCut. Once you tap on it, just click on Offload App. Now you can close settings. Once you're here, go back to the App Store. Now wait for the App Store to finish loading. Now on the search bar, you're going to search for CapCut. Now all you have to do is either update, reinstall, or re-download CapCut for your iOS or your mobile device. Here it says update, so I'll just click on update. Now all you have to do this time is wait for CapCut to finish updating. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel.